Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you in this video that I'm blow drying my hair, and I'm gonna show you, like I always do, that I'm going in and I'm going to shape up my hair and do a nice little cut. Also in this video, I'm gonna show you how I cut down and shave down my sides. And also in this video, I'm gonna show you a little glimpse of a mishap I had, and I had to go in and fix it. But in the process of that, I want you guys to go ahead and keep watching and look at me go ahead and do my hair. We're gonna do something simple today, but cute. So you guys keep watching.
Talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you by. Yeah, if you leave I go stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is at the essence. I try to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live for I come. I got the wife, got the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other. You don't need no other me. Only you fit on my body.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. My hair was so, and I initially wasn't gonna relax it, but it was just too hard. Once I cut it and did everything, and so I went on and off camera and went on relaxed it. And now I'm trying to figure out what type of style. And just within that little time I relaxed, it seemed like what I cut just automatically grew, you know, what I cut. Just think if I didn't cut it, how long it would be, grew back. But, and you know, I don't like my hair getting too straight because my hair is so fine, but it was just too, getting so thin up there compared to when I was younger. But that's what happens when you get older. Your hair starts thinning and hormones and all types of stuff. But, let me tell y'all now. Let me step back for a little bit to tell y'all. When I initially cut the back of my hair, you know, you guys, I always cut my hair and lay it down and fade it. Well, this time the guard popped off. Yeah, I had a big old plain strip going down the back of my head, big old bald spot. I'm gonna attach a picture or a clip to let y'all see what I did. Okay, so I had to let my hair grow out for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So I was wearing my wigs before I can finally go in and fix it and make it blend right. So let me turn around and let y'all see what it's looking like. Okay. So I hope y'all can see it. I went in and fixed it, and I was not thinking, I should have let you guys see me fix it. That would have been a good video to see where I bounced up, because I just knew eventually it was gonna be a matter of time that probably that was gonna happen. You know what I mean? I just a matter of time that was gonna happen. And the guard popped off, and I just learned, and it just, but y'all know I use my faithful wax, curl wax that I use, and it's blurry, but I get it from my local beauty supply. So I use that, and then I got some oil here that a little bit of shine oil I'm gonna put on there afterwards after I get through. So I put that little hair polish on there, and I put that even like on my wigs because it's light, very light. It's not very heavy, so it's not gonna weigh the wigs down. But yeah, y'all, that's what I did to myself. Yeah, so that, yeah, I wasn't too fine. So now I'm trying to think of what we gonna do cute to this head. And I'm thinking we just gonna do a basic do this time with this hair, just something basic like it's like I did with my, if y'all seen my one video, I did a wig with the wig, and I did a basic, we curled it and it was like basic. But I think I'm gonna do that because every time I decide to wear my hair, y'all, it rains. It rains. I can't never wear my hair because it rains. So yeah, it rains. So, and I think here in Georgia it's supposed to be raining. They're talking about a little bit of snow supposed to be coming. So see, this what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go on here and go do what I do and start curling this hair and let y'all see
Let me curl this hair, and then we're going to see what we're going to come up with. If we're going to do something extra fancy, or we're going to do something basic. Because a lot of times, I don't know while I'm doing what I decide I'm going to do. I used to do my clients like that, too. When I used to work in the salon and do the hair up, I just start creating, didn't know exactly how I was going to do the hair or style the hair. And in the midst of it, in my thoughts, I just all of a sudden come up with a look and decide and come up and create something in my head. And that's just how, you know, hairstylists are artists. And when I was in school, I used to draw when I was in school. And I also used to be off into clothes and design and everything. And so I guess it ended up taking this part and taking the effort and putting it off into in the hair. Knowing how to create and design into hair. So basically that's what that is. So we're gonna go ahead and get to curling this hair, y'all, and see what we come up with.
Talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you by. Yeah, if you leave I go stroking baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. Till the morning, my head won't be done from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all, I can give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, I can give you all you need, baby, yeah. You don't need no outside body. You don't need no outside body.
Okay, y'all, this is the style we came up with. Nice and simple. And remind you, I still get my sides shaved off, but I just combed all the curled all the hair down just on the sides instead of just wearing it all swooped over. And this is what I got. This is what the back is looking like. So yeah, it's cute, nice and neat and simple. So once I put the little lashes on and get made up and be in business, put my little outfit on, and I'm gonna let y'all see me all put together. I don't know if I'm gonna put a full face of makeup on or not, but we shall see. So you will see. All right.
This is my final look. I didn't put on no makeup. I just put on some lashes. And this is my cute little outfit. I can show it to you. Hold on, y'all. My cute little outfit. Let me take it until here, and I'm gonna show you my cute little outfit. All right, y'all. This is my cute little outfit I'm wearing for today. It's cute little. I did a haul on this one time. Did a hood on it, but this is my little fur jacket I'm wearing with it. But this is my outfit for today. So guys, this is my overall look. Just a simple look this time, y'all. And nothing extra fancy. I hope you guys like it. And until next time, y'all stay blessed and be safe out there. Okay? Bye.